The first step is to open the Start menu and type Store to open the Microsoft Store. Click on Library. Click on Get Updates. And once done, click on Update All. The second step, if you have disabled UAC User Account Control, re-enable it. Open the Start menu, type User Account, and select Change User Account Control Settings. And choose the default option. The third step is to search for Windows updates and install all available updates. The fourth step is to open the Start menu and type WWS Reset. The fifth step is to open the Start menu, type Troubleshoot Settings. Select Additional Troubleshooters, then choose Windows Store Apps and run the troubleshooter. Fix any errors it prompts. Last step, open the Start menu, type CMD and run it as administrator. And execute these commands. All commands in the video description. When it's done, restart the PC. Hopefully, this will solve the problem. See you in the next video. Bye!